Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, a big shout out to you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to prepare a natural aloe vera cleanser at home for skin whitening. This is 100% natural. For those who do not know, aloe vera is very effective and good for our skin. Aloe vera helps to lighten up our skin. It also helps to fade off dark spots. It also helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation and dark patches of our skin. Using this cleanser daily, this is going to help you. This is going to reveal a fairer, a lighter, and an even toned skin. This is very useful for every skin type and it has no side effects, and this can also be stored for about a month in a room temperature. So the good thing about this remedy is that it can be stored for up to a month in a room temperature, and it's also helping to achieve a beautiful fairer and glowing skin in no time. So aloe vera, as you guys know, help in hair growth, it helps in glow, it also helps in skin glow, it helps to brighten up our skin. A lot of us know about aloe vera gel and the wonders it does to our skin. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to use this aloe vera gel, how to use aloe vera gel to make a cleanser that is going to help you to achieve a beautiful, even toned skin and also a fairer skin in no time. If you'd like to see this remedy, all you have to do is to keep watching this video up until the end. But if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to do so. Do so by clicking on the red subscribe button down below this video. Right beside the subscribe button, you're going to find the notification bell icon. Click on it, that way anytime I post a video, you'll be notified about the upload. If you find this video interesting, do not hesitate to smash the like button, and if you know anyone who this video is going to be useful to, then of course share this video to that person. Let's get right into this video. Our first ingredient is honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial, so it's great for acne treatment and prevention. It is also filled with antioxidant properties that helps slow down the aging process, and is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a glow on the skin. So this is the benefit of our first ingredient. I'm going to show you guys our second ingredient and also tell you guys the benefit of it. Our second ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil contains 3 major antioxidants: vitamin E, polyphenols, and phytosterols. Olive oils, when topically applied, may help protect the skin from premature skin aging. So this is the benefit of our olive oil. I'm going to show you guys our third and final ingredients. Our third and final ingredient is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel contains powerful antioxidants, which belongs to a large family of substances known as polyphenols. These polyphenols, along with several other compounds in aloe vera, can help inhibit the growth of certain bacteria that can cause infection in humans. So this is the benefit of all our 3 ingredients. I'm going to start off to mix these ingredients all up together. Let's go. So in my clean bowl, I'm going to add half tablespoon of my aloe vera gel. So here is my aloe vera gel. I'm going to add half tablespoon of it. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of my honey. So this is 1 teaspoon of my honey. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of my olive oil as well. This is 1 teaspoon of my olive oil. Now I'm going to mix and stir this all up together. So once I'm done mixing and stirring this all up together, at this point my remedy is ready to go up on my skin. I'm going to set this aside and of course show you guys how to use this on your skin. Alright guys, so that is how to make that remedy, which is of course very easy to make. So once you've done this remedy, All you have to do is to transfer this remedy into an airtight container, meaning you get a container and transfer this remedy into it. So once you've transferred it for usage, all you have to do is to scoop this and massage this on your face for about 30 seconds. Just gently massage this on your face for 30 seconds. Then you leave this on your face for about a minute or two, and after a minute or two you need to clean this off with your wipe. So get either a wipe or a damp towel and use this to cleanse around your face, and that is literally how to use this remedy, which is of course very, very easy to make and use. I'm going to go over how to use this again. Massage this on your face for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, let it sit on your face for another 1 to 2 minutes, and after a minute or two you wipe your face with either a wipe or a damp cloth or towel. So once you wipe your face, that is literally how to use this remedy. And so you're supposed to use you're supposed to use this cleanser daily for maximum results. So for you to see results, make sure you use this moisturizer every single day, and in no time you realize that your skin will begin to glow. You say goodbye to your dark patches and dark spots, and your face will literally be flawless. I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has, please subscribe to my channel. That is, if you've not done so already, do so by clicking on the red subscribe button down below this video. Right beside the subscribe button, you're going to find a notification bell icon. Click on it. That way, anytime I post a video, you get notified about the upload. Also guys, if you find this video educative and informative, do not hesitate to smash the like button. And if you know anyone who this video is going to be useful to, then of course share this video to that person. Until I come your way next time, I remain your dearest host, Ogochukwu. Bye guys.